guys, CQHD here, and today I've got the new iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I'll do a quick unboxing and then let's get right into it. So finally we have the new iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro. Now I'm actually the first to say I'm pretty excited to unbox these devices and to see what they actually have to offer. So the first reason I'm actually excited to unbox these devices is because of the new packaging that Apple has. But when we open up the devices, we've got both the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro. Now removing the phones from the boxes, we've got the new Lightning to USB Type-C cable. They've removed the charger, but we'll talk about that in a minute. You've got the SIM ejection tool and a few documentation. Now back to the charger. Apple removed the charger from the boxes during the whole iPhone 12 lineup. This is because of the new environmentally friendly packaging that Apple introduced. Here's a clip of them introducing that now.
Customers already have over 700 million Lightning headphones. And many customers have moved to a wireless experience with AirPods, Beats, or other wireless headphones. And there are also over 2 billion Apple Power adapters out in the world, and that's not counting the billions of third-party adapters. So we are removing these items from the iPhone box, which reduces carbon emissions and avoids the mining and use of precious materials. Removing these items also means a smaller, lighter iPhone box. We can fit up to 70% more products on a shipping pallet, reducing carbon emissions in our global logistics chain. Taken all together, the changes we've made for iPhone 12 cut over 2 million metric tons of carbon emissions annually. It's like removing 450,000 cars from the road per year.
Apple says that you pretty much already have chargers at home, and that's why they don't want to include them in the packaging. But I say that you won't actually have a USB Type-C port or plug. You mainly have USB Type-A to Lightning. Now for you to buy the charger, you'd have to buy it from Apple directly, and that's a hefty cost. Now back to the devices. The iPhone 12 has a dual camera setup at the back, and the iPhone 12 Pro has a triple camera setup at the back with the LiDAR sensor. This means you get better quality in photos and videos. So at the end of the video I'll show you some low light photography and a few videos that I've taken with the devices since I've had them. Back to the phones. So the speakers on the devices are stereo speakers, and they sound pretty great compared to the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Now some of you are probably asking how's the battery life on these devices, and I've got to say, if you're not on a 5G network, the battery life is pretty good. During the time I've had these devices, of course I've tested out MagSafe. Now this is of course Apple's new way of wirelessly charging their devices. And I've got to say, it's alright, as it does have the Lightning cable still, so it's not really wirelessly charging. But that goes to say with all other wireless chargers. Now in general, the iPhone 12 and the 12 Pro, with the new chipset, which is the A14, it pretty much speaks for itself. It handles gaming pretty well, performance speeds and battery life very well. Camera quality and the improvement in recording is much better. And paired with the 4 or 6 GB of RAM, this device is pretty much amazing. So because this was a quick unboxing of the 12 and the 12 Pro, I'll list all the specs of the devices here. Thank you guys for watching this short review of the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.